Hello friends, peace be upon you. An image is on the front. We will pop the colors of this image. In this image, the girl's skirt should be black. But you will see a green cast on it. We will fix that too in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First I create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then go to Filter Other HSB/HSL. Check RGB for input mode. Check HSL for row order. Then hit OK. Then go to Channels. Select Green in Channels. And by clicking on this icon I have to load the selection of this channel. This selection will look up. Come back to Layers. Delete this layers now, because don't need it anymore. Create a hue/saturation layer on top of the background layer. Adjust the saturation amount plus 100. Here is before then after. This is a very easy method, but there is still a green color cast on the image. We will also deal with this green color cast. To do this, create a curves adjustment layer. And in RGB of this layer you have to select red. If you press Alt and click on the black slider, the image will turn red because we have selected red. Start moving the slider to the right and release where the black snow starts to appear. In the same way, click on the white slider by pressing Alt. So the image will be complete black. Start moving it to the left and release where you start to see red. After that we will select green and do the same thing. By pressing Alt, we will move the black slider to the right and release it where we see black snow. Similarly, we will move the white slider to the left by pressing Alt and releasing it where the green look starts. Same work we will do with blue. By pressing Alt, move the black slider to the right where the black snow appears, and release it. Press Alt and move the white slider to the left, where the blue vision starts, and release it. So now the green cast has been removed from the image, this before and this after. The bottom layer we created was hue and saturation. This made the colors pop. And from the curves layer we removed the green cast. I close this group and bring you the layers. Group them by selecting both layers and pressing Ctrl+G. And this image with dull colors and a green cast. And the green cast is gone from image and the colors have popped. These are the little tips I give for beginners who recently entered the world of Photoshop. These are the small tips for those people. I hope you like this video about these little tips. If you like the video please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.